The Carlisle difference starts before the build begins. It starts with taking the time to understand what you need now, what your family might need next, how you live, work, gather, rest and grow. At Carlisle, that's where every home begins. With hundreds of thoughtful floor plans designed around real life, open living spaces, kitchens made for connection, study zones, alfresco spaces, and layouts that simply work. With premium inclusions, leading brands, and on-trend finishes that help turn a home into something that feels truly yours. And with better care that makes the process feel clearer, easier, and more supported. From display home to selections to the day the keys are yours. It's why over 10,000 homeowners have shared their experience, and why Carlisle continues to be recognised as Australia's #1 builder. Because better isn't just built into your home, it's built into your whole experience. Life's better with Carlisle Homes.